What's going on, y'all? What's good? Yeah, I'm live. I'm live. I'll be back in a minute before I start the show. Just give me a minute, y'all. Shout out to y'all that's in the chat. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that like button, family. What's going on, world? DS1 Ross. And I'm back. Back right here on Sheep Stay Sleep TV, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Happy holidays to all of y'all. Um, 2020 is quickly approaching. And you know, I don't know if it's just me, but I've been noticing a a a purge going on. I've been noticing a lot of chaos has been on the rise, man. And this is just what happens when a new year is coming, and shit never cease to fail me. I'm never shocked, man. I'm never shocked, man. Um Shout out to y'all in the building, man. Like I said, make sure you all smash that like button. If this your first time tuning in, go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell. But I got a question. I got a question. And it's for you, Sui. The question is for you, glory hole Sui. And I kinda said this to somebody years ago when I first heard, around the time, a little bit after, right after we met. And I asked somebody, if a man is trying to create a sisterhood, is he just trying to get women, or is he trying to show women that he worships them? You see? I always had that question. And I asked somebody that, and somebody was like, nah, he just trying to start an online female cult, and he basically just trying to get women. You know, that was his way of, that was basically his his game for women. You know, he basically fools them with him empowering women and loving women and supporting them. And you know, the person told me that they felt he was just doing that, you know, to get some, you know, some cyber twat. You feel me? But from a video that I heard, I think it was either yesterday or the day before, where I heard a hotep queen, that's what we're gonna call you. That's what I call all BWs who think because they read a couple of books on Egyptology, because they watched some DVDs, because they like polite, because they basically are in love with Nuwapianism, this woman's gonna say in her video that there was times in history where women ruled men, right? Now, let's just say that is true. Now, mind you, when she made this statement, she didn't provide any reference. She didn't tell me what book she got that out of. She didn't leave no reference point. She just said it. So, let's just say if that's true, right? Those men who were being led and controlled by women, right? These had to be lesser men. Correct me if I'm wrong. If a woman is leading and controlling a man, he is a lesser man. He is not operating or vibrating at a high masculine rate. He is not exuding enough masculinity for this woman. Basically, his masculine energy has been suspended if a woman is leading and controlling him. See, and this is what these conscious community, HOK, YouTube conscious community, Hotep queens like to do. They try to make this shit some divine spiritual bullshit. Don't play that with me. See, the reason why Glory Hole Sue worships BWs as God is because, like I said in my last stream, he wants to be a woman. And he actually looks at straight men as beneath him. This is why he always talking about and banging on straight men. See, just in case y'all didn't know that, He loves talking shit about straight BMs. He loves to attack straight BMs. Now, mind you, this person who made this video and said that bullshit that she said out her mouth, this Hotep queen, right? I've heard her say out her mouth that the representation of God is the black nuclear family, which is the man, woman, and child. Right? So if you believe that, Hotep queen, if you believe that, how could you turn around and support and uphold somebody whose ideology and lifestyle totally goes against what you say you represent? I've saw you do streams talking about the social programming of our children, the effeminization of our black boys, but you're sitting there protecting one. You're sitting there upholding a effeminate BM. You're protecting him. You're allowing him to be effeminate around you. Now, let's go back to your point, Hotep Queen. Now, if back in prehistoric times, these BWs ruled over these BMs, like you said, wouldn't they be cultivating those men to be soldiers? To be builders? Because if y'all were the rulers, then that means the men built everything. The men worked for y'all, correct? So basically, what you're saying is you are Sui's handler. That's what you are, Hotep Queen. You're his handler. You are the one who's responsible for him. You are the one who knows everything he does and say here on YouTube currently. See, I comprehend very well. I read between lines very well, Miss Hotep Queen. And since you want to stand on this narcissistic point of BW's ruling over black men at one point, then basically what you're telling me is you are the one who's sending this dirty bottom bandit to run around and do the shit that he's doing. That's what you're saying, Hotep Queen. You're his agent. You're his manager. You're the one that introduced him to the game, right? You're the one that got him doing what he's doing now. And he feel good about it. Because he fresh out on the strip. You know. First time a new strag hit the streets. And she make daddy a couple of thousands. And she come home happy. And she love what she do. That's him, right? That's Sui for you. That's your new project. Right? That's your new prospect that you just put out here in these YouTube streets. To run around and sashay his ass around for you. Right? See, I don't play games, Hotep Queen. I don't play games. I don't play games. Don't play with me. If you want to say something to me directly, be direct. Be direct. I know you're Sui's handler, Ashe Divine. See, we gonna cut all the subliminals out right now. We gonna cut them all out right now. Because I know you was addressing me in your video. Right, Ashe Divine? But according to you, your platform is bigger than mine, so you're not gonna give me no clout. So you're not gonna say my name. I don't play no clout games over here. I don't play that. I don't play games, period. Action new prospect. Do I play games? I'm the one who shattered the soul mirror. Me. Ask him. So I understand you protecting your investment, Hotep Queen. You protecting your new little Hotep hoe that you got running around the conscious YouTube streets. Right? That's your new little hoe you got running around causing chaos in the black sector of YouTube. Right? Glory holes too. That's your investment. You got to protect your investment, right? That's what daddy got to provide his girls. Protection. Motivation. See, I see right through all this shit. See, ask your girl. I know all about this whole little dark side of the conscious community shit. I know about it. I'm from New York. I know. I was around this conscious community shit before you got a hold of it on YouTube, Hotep Queen. Because a lot of y'all just participate in the YouTube conscious community. You never was actually around none of these people. You never actually been to no events. You just know about this shit because of Sinetta TV. Just like your girl. He never been to New York. He never been to no conscious events. He learned all this shit up off YouTube. But don't play with me. Don't play with me. You see? Because I'm pretty sure your little girlfriend lied to you. Because I know you asked him, who is this sheep stay sleep guy? What problem you and him have? And of course he gonna lie to you. Oh no, he gonna tell you the truth. You think he gonna tell you the truth, right? Cause he worked for you, right? Right? T Duck 415 says 2020 unity, your mind's blocking your blessings, bruh. They ain't blocking no blessings, bro. My mods can't block my blessings. Whoever want to bless me, they going to. But like I was saying, I understand what this is about. You got to protect your investments. So now I understand what the sisterhood shit was all about, Sui. It's because the BW The Hotep queen, the Hotep strag, is your God. I get it now. The strag is your God. Especially the ones who put crystals on and Egyptian jewelry and all that shit. That's your God. But glory hole Sui. Last time I checked, I thought you was an Israelite, brother. I thought you believed in Yah. I thought you was an Israelite, Sui. So now you're not an Israelite? You don't believe in the Bible no more? Now you believe in the coffin text? Huh? Now the black strag is your God? Now you on that brother polite shit? When you used to bang on polite. A Hotep queen is your God when you used to bang on the Hoteps. You was a Bible thumper. Right, Sue? But I understand times get hard, man. I understand. Times get hard, man. Times get hard. Times get hard. You got tired of washing dishes. You know. You got yourself kicked out your stepmama house. Now you're running around. You know, you and this Hotep queen done concocted this cockamamie story about you being abused. So somehow, some way, one day somebody will want to hear your story, which is a lie. You got kicked out your pop's house, finally, after living there forever and never becoming nothing. And I said a long time ago he lived with a bunch of dudes. And then come to find out, the person that's taking your pictures is naked men. That picture of him with them shades on that he made into a cartoon character, if y'all go back to that picture, and Suge exposed this shit, I gotta give credit where credit is due. He said, look into those shades and you gonna see the reflection of the dude taking the picture. The dude who taking this picture is one of them Hotep zombie type of dudes. He got the Hotep face paint on. Crazy looking nigga. Taking pictures of him. These are the people we live with. So basically, this dude lives with a bunch of Hotep bottom boys. That's their room. See, I understand a hustler. Whether you a female or a male, I understand Ashe, you hustling. You like, oh, you live with a bunch of hoes? Man, I could put all y'all on. I could put all y'all hoes on. We get this money together. I know what you doing, Ashe. It's a hustle. I get it. You got kids to feed. You know, Sui don't have kids. All he want to feed is his habit. You feel me? I get it. It's a hustle for you. So what you do? You put Sui on. I wouldn't be surprised if Sui ain't getting plucked out on camera for on webcams. Won't be surprised. And he got to make sure he send that kickback. Come on, man. I see shit from a while away. So Sui, so now the BW is your god, huh? I remember you used to go in on about that shit. You know, your Soto Nation days. You know, the days that you think people don't know about. How you used to love Tommy Sotomayor. You was an avid Tommy follower. A lot of these guys are. A lot of these guys who later on run to you know, the pro black strag community. The ones that run to they go run and become an Israelite. They go run and become a Nuwapian. They go run and become a Moor. Then you hearing these dudes promoting pro-black stragism. They promoting these Hotep queens now. A couple of years ago, when they first came on YouTube, they were Tommy followers. They were BT 1000s. They was labeling the Hotep queens. I know a lot of y'all. A lot of y'all secretly agree with Tommy. See, what I want y'all to understand is that this dude's suicide was never. He's not a man. He's an effeminate male. That's what he is. And only effeminate men will allow women to control and lead them throughout their life. And see, this is the problem I have with you Hotep queens. Y'all be the same women that's raising y'all sons to be thugs and gangsters. But then you'll come online and treat a whole black man like you coddling a little girl. But you'll tell your son, get up, don't cry, dust it off. You a boy. Men ain't supposed to cry. But then you'll get up here and, oh, we need to feel sorry for him. He was abused and he was this and back in antiquity, we ran some men. And society actually ran better that way. But are you raising your son to be that way? Are you raising your son to be led by the pro-black strag, the Hotep queen? See, this is what we call malarkey. I.e. bullshit. Just come out and say it. You protecting your investment. Sui's asshole is going to make y'all a lot of money. And you know that. Preferably you. You're going to make a lot of money on the back end because of Suicide's glory hole fetish. because you saw the video for yourself. A normal, functional, sexual woman cannot take anal punishment. That man was pummeling this nigga. You saw it for yourself, Hotep Queen. And you know what you saw when you saw that? Dollar signs. You said, oh shit, this nigga asshole could be expanded? Oh my God, we're gonna get rich. That's what you said when you saw that, didn't you? When you saw that nigga asshole expand. You said, oh, we getting rich. Didn't you? But you the same one that say, you know, black men need to be militant. Black men need to have discipline. Ain't that you, Hotep Queen? Ain't that you, Hotep Queen? We need fathers in the home. Why you ain't encouraging that brother to be a man and to get the fuck up off his knees? Huh? Since you a goddess. You ain't no motherfucking goddess. You a mere mortal. You a carnal being. Don't talk that high, fake, spiritual YouTube talk to me. You better take that shit somewhere else. You ain't gonna talk that silly Hotep shit to me. Okay? Because we know what that Hotep shit is too. It's a business. It's an LLC where niggas sell soaps and beads and shit. So stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. You not talking to a YouTube nigga. You not talking to a YouTube nigga. Okay? You not talking to some YouTube intelligent nigga. Some YouTube conscious community, Sinetta TV ass nigga. I'm not one of those. I was a nigga in the lectures. I was a nigga on the ground buying DVDs in New York. Around these conscious niggas. Talking to these niggas. You watch niggas and then regurgitate what you see. So don't play and try to mask this shit with some high spiritual, I'm protecting this brother type shit. Get out of here with that. You ain't gonna spin me. You can't spin me. It's not gonna work. You are protecting your investment. It's that simple. I understand he's your investment. I get it. I understand. Trust me, I do. He's your investment. You probably was showing all your homegirls the video. Like, girl, we about to get rich. Look at this dude. I'm about to put him on to the webcam game and we gonna get rich. Sui's your slave. But Sui likes to be a slave because Sui is a masochist. Sui's a masochist. Just like you are, Hotep Queen. You like punishment. Don't you? You love to be punished. You love to be dominated. You are a sub trying to be a dom over another sub. Because the way I heard that nigga ravaging your esophagus, you are a submissive. But you play dominant with Sui because you know Sui's an effeminate man. And that's how I know that little historical bullshit reference you put in there was hogwash. Because you know any man who can be controlled by a woman is an effeminate man. That's why you're dominating him when you're the sub. When you're on video and dude is dunking his dunking stick down your throat. Straight nightstick in your esophagus. Treating your goddamn tonsils like a speed bag. But when you saw Sui, you said, if I invest in him, I could give my throat and my walls and all that a break. Because this nigga has trunk space in his ass. he got trunk space of a large size SUV in his ass. So you could take some time off and just collect. And I know it's a lot of you fanboys, bottom bandits that's here on YouTube, and y'all are being controlled and handled by women. A lot of y'all dudes have female handlers. A lot of y'all. I know y'all do. I know y'all do. That's why y'all act so crazy. Y'all talk so tough. Y'all threaten to kill each other and all that kind of shit. Because y'all not real men. And them women know y'all not. They know y'all ain't going to bust a grape. They sit back and y'all are... See, let me let you know something, Lily. You are this woman's entertainment. She's entertained. But I know you don't care because you're used to being a lap boy and, you know, you're just a real silly and, you know, flimsy guy. I understand. You're just flimsy old Sui who just loves to be dominated and overpowered and stepped on and trampled. You love that, don't you? That's why you let Ricky stand on the back of your neck. This nigga Ricky had you in the video squirming like a goldfish when you pull him out the water. He had you in the video looking like a goddamn turtle with his neck stuck out the shell. So I get it. The Hotep Queen, the BW, the pro-black strag is your god. Is she? She your god, Sui? Huh? Because we know where a lot of that bottom boy bandit shit come from. We know it come from Kemet. We could look it up. A lot of that bandit shit, Transformers, a lot of that shit started right over there. It was over there. It's there, right over there. But we like to act like it's not there. But a lot of these bottom boys, A lot of these red, black, and green birthday cake boys, a lot of y'all are the DL dudes. And y'all all on here on YouTube attacking and cyber stalking straight men. And y'all are doing it for women. And y'all do it too just because y'all like the dude that y'all attacking. But ain't nobody stupid, Sui. We get it. The BW is your god. The Hotep Queen is your god. We get it. We understand. So, shout out to y'all, man, that's in the building. You know, thanks for tuning in. We give some shout outs. Um, what up, Shug? What's going on? Hey, Yanaya, what's going on? Albert, what's good? What up, Soul Shader? Mel Nubia, what's going on? Good to see you. What's going on, T Duck? Tony Smith, what's good? Mr. Sutton, shout out to you, man. What up, Errol? What's going on? Go Hard Black. What's up, Kendra? What's going on? Everybody that's in the building, my man Dice TV, what's good, bro? Shout out to Nene in the building. I see y'all, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through. You feel me? But yeah, we get it, man. We get it. So stop with the, trying to make this lifestyle that y'all want to portray. Stop trying to turn it into some spiritual shit. Okay? We not doing that. Stand on your square, man. It is what it is, man. Like I said, man, shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all. Y'all would like to donate, support the channel. Cash App $ Sheep Stay Sleep TV. Cash App $ Sheep Stay Sleep TV. And shout out to y'all. Like I said, y'all look out. Um, I might be doing a if I'm not on a New Year's panel, I probably will be doing a New Year's show. You know, with us coming into the new year, with us just having some fun and giving y'all some new updates and all that kind of shit that's gonna be going on Sheep Stay Sleep TV. So I appreciate y'all. Shout out to all of y'all that's in the building. I appreciate all y'all for tuning in. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you're new to this channel. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video. I'm your host, DS1 Ross, of Sheep Stay Sleep TV. And remember, y'all, we gotta heal before we build. We gotta heal before we build. Shout out to Heal Zen. I appreciate the donation. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.